Hey guys, okay, going to be doing the 500-hour hydraulic reservoir drain service on this 2019 WL32 today. It's one of the videos in a series of maintenance videos I have on the WL32. So yeah, this is the 500-hour service. And specifically we're going to be draining this reservoir right here. So this is where your hydraulic reservoir is. Runs your whole machine. That's your breather cap. That's your main hydraulic filter. And the drain plug is right there. That's an 8mm hex Allen key basically. Just going to use that right there. And we're going to open up that and we're going to drain it out. It takes approximately 9.1 or 9.2 gallons, I think. We'll check the manual when we refill it back up. A lot of guys may be saying this is a waste of time. The fluid that comes out of here will be almost, brand new, clear. It's been run through this machine for 500 hours, but at the end of the day, this is an over $100,000 machine, and to not replace a $70 worth of fluid at 500 hours is just ridiculous, So spend the money on maintenance, just like insurance, and you'll make the machine last a long time, or as long as possible. So let's get to draining that. You're gonna want to make sure you have a good sized drain pan. It's like 9 gallons coming out of here. Open up the breather here. And look at that. So there's a magnet. This is the one cap I found that has a magnet on it. The axle ones do not, but you got some metal, a little bit of metal shavings on there. So I mean, there is some wear in this machine. Obviously it's new wear, it's new parts mating together, so it's pretty common, but this is why these fluids should be replaced. Okay guys, so put the cap back on there, and I'm going to fill it up with, where is it here? AW46 hydraulic oil. It says it takes 9.1 gallons, which is about 34 liters, I think. So it'll be this pail and about 3/4 to a full another pail. Okay, so I'm just going to check it there, see where we're at. And we want to be between the two marks on the dipstick when it's not screwed in. So we're just above the low line. And considering we just changed the high pressure filter, which is in another video from this one in the same playlist, I'm going to fill it right up to the top mark because there's going to be a little bit of air in the system, so it's going to eat up a little bit of it. Okay, so we're about, I don't know, half an inch from the top mark. I'm just going to drop a little bit more in, and then we should be good to go. So just for this video, if you hadn't replaced any filters or anything like that, you're good to go. There's no bleeding the system in any way. But if just to be safe for whatever reason, just move all your hydraulic pistons in and out completely. Turn the steering wheel full left, full right, and that'll bleed out anything you have in the lines. But other than that, guys, that's how you change the fluid in the hydraulic reservoir in this machine. If you got any questions, just leave them in the description. Thanks, bye.